We're talking about the best dash cams on the market. These sleek devices not only capture every moment of your journey, but also serve as your silent witness on the road. From crystal clear footage to advanced features, we'll explore which dash cam reigns supreme in the realm of reliability and performance. Stick around until the end, as we uncover some hidden gems and expert tips to elevate your driving experience to the next level. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The world of dash cams, and we've got a gem for you, the Vantrue N2S. This bad boy isn't your average dash cam. It's a 4K wonder that combines both front and cabin cameras. Let's break down why this might just be the perfect fit for your ride. The Vantrue N2S is a powerhouse, offering a front camera in stunning 4K and a cabin camera in 1440p. Whether you're an Uber driver or a family on a road trip, this dual-camera setup captures the road ahead and inside your car with incredible clarity, ensuring you never miss a detail. Don't worry about those dark drives. The N2S features dual Starvis sensors, a wide aperture, and 4 IR LEDs, delivering exceptional night vision. Even in low-light conditions, the 4 infrared lights make recording passengers a breeze, offering crystal-clear footage for your peace of mind. This dash cam isn't just about video, it's your smart co-pilot. With built-in GPS, you can monitor your speed in real time and replay your journey on Google Maps. It's a game-changer for insurance claims and protecting yourself in case of an accident. Say goodbye to worries about parking lot mishaps. The Vantrue N2S has a 24/7 parking mode that records continuously in low bit rate, saving memory space. Its motion and collision detection start recording in glorious 2.5K once it senses any movement or impact, ensuring your car is always under a watchful eye. This dash cam is your reliable witness on the road. The G-sensor ensures that important footage is locked and saved automatically during a crash, protecting your evidence without overwriting. Plus, with support for up to 256 GB micro SD cards, you won't have to worry about running out of storage. In a nutshell, the Vantrue N2S is a game-changer in the dashcam arena. It's equipped with features that cater to the needs of both daily drivers and professional rideshare operators. With its 4K prowess, night vision magic, and smart GPS capabilities, this dash cam is more than just a witness, it's your ultimate road companion. And hey, with lifetime customer support and an 18-month warranty, you're in good hands. So, buckle up, hit the road, and let the Vantrue N2S capture your journey in unmatched clarity. Number 4. The Garmin Dashcam 57. This pocket-sized powerhouse brings some impressive features to the table, so let's buckle up and get into it. First off, let's talk about its size. The Garmin Dashcam 57 is so compact that it's nearly invisible on your windshield. It doesn't obstruct your view, ensuring a safe driving experience. Now, let's see if this small package delivers big results. The 140-degree wide lens on this little gadget records in stunning 1440p HD with Garmin's Clarity HDR optics. Day or night, you'll capture crisp details, giving you peace of mind knowing you won't miss a thing. Let's take a closer look at the video quality. Say goodbye to fumbling with buttons. The Garmin Dashcam 57 introduces voice control, available in multiple languages. Simply speak your commands to save videos, start or stop audio recording, take pictures, and more. It's like having a personal assistant for your car. Worried about managing your footage? Fear not. The Dashcam automatically uploads saved videos via Wi-Fi to a secure online vault, letting you easily view and share them later. Smart, convenient, and hassle-free. Not just recording, the Garmin Dashcam 57 is your vigilant co-pilot. With driver alerts for forward collisions, lane departures, and speed camera warnings, it actively promotes safer driving and enhances your situational awareness. An extra layer of protection on the road. And there you have it, folks, the Garmin Dashcam 57, a compact companion with powerful features. From its unobtrusive design to the crystal-clear recording, hands-free control, smart connectivity, and advanced safety features, this dash cam is a reliable sidekick for your every journey. Number 3. The KingSlim D4. This nifty gadget boasts 4K plus 1080p front and rear recording, promising to capture every detail of your daily drives. Let's explore if it lives up to the hype. The KingSlim D4 takes your video quality up a notch with its 4K front and 1080p rear recording capabilities. The 170-degree front and 150-degree rear wide-angle lenses ensure maximum road coverage. License plates and road signs are crisp and clear, making this dash cam a reliable companion for your journeys. Say goodbye to complicated setups. The D4 supports app control through the KingSlim app, accessible on both Android and iOS devices. Connect seamlessly via built-in Wi-Fi to playback download videos and adjust settings on the go. Just a heads up, ensure a smooth connection by avoiding exiting the app during setup. Never miss a beat with the built-in GPS module. The D4 automatically records and saves your route and driving speed in videos. For optimal signal reception, it's recommended to activate the GPS function in an open area. This feature adds an extra layer of detail to your recorded footage. The KingSlim D4 employs a Sony Starvis sensor and Hisilicon processor, coupled with an f1.8 aperture and WDR technology. This combination ensures stunning details even in low-light environments, giving you peace of mind during nighttime journeys. Safety first. The D4 is equipped with a G-sensor for automatic recording upon detecting impact or vibration. The parking monitoring feature seamlessly transitions to parking mode after your car is parked, activating recording when the car is shaken or bumped. With loop recording, you'll never miss a moment, even when the SD card is full. In conclusion, the KingSlim D4 proves to be a reliable companion for your daily drives, offering impressive video quality, smart app integration, GPS tracking, and crucial emergency features. If you're in the market for a dash cam that ticks all the boxes, the KingSlim D4 might just be your perfect road companion. Number 2. The world of smart dash cams with the Cobra SC400D. This one's packed with features that caught our attention, and we can't wait to share our thoughts with you. Let's buckle up and get started. First up, let's talk about video quality. The SC400D offers an impressive Ultra HD 4K resolution, providing 4 times the pixel resolution of 1080p. This means you won't miss a single detail on your drive. From bustling cityscapes to serene countryside roads, this dash cam captures it all in stunning clarity, day or night. Now, how about having Alexa as your co-pilot? This dash camera comes with Alexa built right in. From playing your favorite tunes to helping you find the nearest burger joint, Alexa's got your back. It's a nifty addition that turns your dash cam into a voice-activated assistant on the road. The SC400D takes things a step further with its 3-view capability. The front-facing dash cam, coupled with the rear-facing accessory camera, provides a dual-view setup. Want even more coverage? Add an optional cabin view accessory camera, and you can record the road ahead, behind, and inside the vehicle simultaneously. Safety first. The SC400D features heads-up navigation, delivering on-screen notifications for upcoming turns. Even if your map is running in the background on your phone, you won't miss a beat. It's the perfect companion for ensuring you reach your destination safely and on time. Here's where the SC400D really stands out. Exclusive live police alerts, including radar speed zones and camera locations, pop up on screen. But that's not all. Incident reports, Mayday alerts, and a new Drive Smarter app make the smart dashcam a comprehensive safety tool. It even lets you share details directly with your insurance company. So, is the Cobra SC400D worth the investment? With its top-notch video quality, Alexa integration, triple-view capability, heads-up navigation, and smart features, it's a strong contender in the smart dashcam arena. Number 1. The world of dashcams with a spotlight on the Nextbase 622 gigawatts. This sleek gadget promises to redefine your driving experience with its impressive features. Let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about that stellar 4K recording capability. The 622 gigawatts captures every moment in top-of-the-range 4K quality. Details like license plates are crystal clear, ensuring you never miss a beat. Plus, with the rear camera module at 1080p, you get a comprehensive view for total peace of mind. Say goodbye to shaky footage. The 622 gigawatts introduces a cutting-edge image stabilization system. Vibrations and bumps from the road are virtually eliminated, delivering incredibly steady playback. Those finer details, like number plates, are now easier than ever to discern. It's like having a personal cinematographer for your daily commute. Now, here's a game changer: dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The 622 gigawatts is the first dash cam to feature 5 GHz Wi-Fi, providing lightning-fast transfer speeds. Downloading footage to your phone has never been quicker. Stay ahead of the curve with this groundbreaking connectivity feature. Living in the foggy UK? The 622 gigawatts has your back. Its unique defogging feature cuts through the mist, allowing you to see through fog. In crucial moments, identifying vehicles and number plates becomes a breeze. It's a must-have for those unpredictable weather conditions. The 622 gigawatts introduces super slow motion at 1080p and 120 frames per second. This feature goes beyond standard slow motion, offering an ideal tool to analyze incidents in detail. Capture those crucial moments, including number plates, for a comprehensive record when you need it most. And there you have it, folks, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts, a true game-changer in the dashcam scene. From 4K recording to fog-defying abilities, this device has it all. If you're serious about your on-road safety and capturing every detail, the 622 gigawatts is definitely worth checking out. So that wraps up our list of the best transcend dashcam. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Review Avenue family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.